I wanted to be able to show you more close up the way the hummingbird's feathers are arranged. The things that look like scales are actually fan-shaped configurations of teeny tiny feathers. After this slow motion portion of the video, I've got some still pictures so that you can see this more easily. In the still pictures, you'll see things like a close-up of the hummingbird's eye and the configuration of the bottom of the beak and how it fits into the hummingbird's body. You'll also see that there are many different sized feathers on the hummingbird, all the way from those little tiny ones to ones that are larger and just look like the regular bird feathers that you're accustomed to seeing on other birds.